Hi! We're walking to Disneyland because they don't have any trams going.
We're all festive and stuff. We're all festive. We're excited to get in line for the ride for the new Star Wars.
Rise of the Resistance!
Yeah!
We're here in Star Wars Land. We're gonna ride Millenium Falcon. Millenium Falcon. Woo!
You clear the path. Pilots,
Left to go right.
Who's flying? Who's flying?
Engineers, you
I will go
that
up and
precious
down.
cargo.
What are you doing?
And as we always say here,
What's your job?
I shoot.
What's your job?
I'm an engineer.
Remain seated and supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados.
Flight engineer,
Oh my gosh, you got
prepare
the flying.
hit your flashing buttons.
Don't record me!
Hi,
Right,
Scarlet.
pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, stick to fly right and left. I was just opposite. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly up and push forward to fly down.
Oh my god.
Guys, I'm trying to keep your ship alive! What are you
The
doing?
speed.
I don't know!
Yeah, mommy, hi.
License for this! Oh,
There is the train. Come, pop.
Oh no, we lost power.
My friends, that could have been much worse.
We lost power.
It's much worse.
Come on.
Flight engineers. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry.
Yes.
It's coming down. Hit the booster. Boost. That's out of it. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in. You retrieved one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. It is not unusual to find a stray species or two clinging to the hull.
What? I don't remember that.
But keep looking. The last thing I want is to let another raft disappear. All right, I'm making an executive decision. Everybody out. Go on, get out.
That was terrible. Everybody out.
I thought it was pretty good. I mean, I don't know. It wasn't bad.
Scrap metal.
My thoughts exactly. This thing is damaged beyond repair. It's a total loss, I tell you. Chewbacca's not going to be too happy about this, but there goes my paycheck.
Sorry for breaking the ship. I'm sorry. We broke his ship. We broke his spaceship.
We are entering the Rise of Resistance ride, which I've never ridden before, and I've been waiting 2 years for this.
I have to tell you guys something very, very important. This is some words of advice. Okay, so basically, north to flourish. North to flourish. Take that into heart.
You're not authorized.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Where are we going?
Ultimately hopeless.
Oh my god, that That was the best thing that ever happened to me. Go, stand in the box. Go, stand in the box.
Yay! Why was that? What? What is that for? Why?
Para su segunda presenta un
Oh gosh, there they go. Oh my god, it's too much! Who got some? Oh my gosh! Daisy! Tell me about it.
Here, let's go sit on Santa's
Tell me about it.
waterfall wet. No! No!
Hello.
Morning, mate. How's it going, eh?
Good, how are you?
Doing all right. Doing up. Is that Captain Red?
Yes.
Oh, it's Captain Red. Sam, look, it's Captain Red.
There's more reds. Hi.
The whole lot is here. She's brought her crew.
No, she did.
Wait a minute. So if you're Captain Red, and this is Captain Red's crew,
Yes.
what is your name? The name of the crew? The Reds.
Gingers.
Reds.
The reds.
Short, simple, easy to remember. I like it.
Are you excited?
I don't know where to put my dress.
Cameron, Incredicoaster.
Les pedimos que bajen
Incredicoaster.
atención hasta que cierre. Mantengan su cabeza en el respaldo y
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Let's do it again. Woo! Hi. So we're going on the spinny ride.
Let's go. Which side do you want?
Oh my god. Oh dear lord.
Okay. I'm terrified. This is a horrible idea.
I'm going to throw up my hot fries. That was This is fun. This is not fun. No. I'm out of here. No. This is fun. Okay, that's enough.
This is a bad idea. A bad idea.
It's fun though. It's pretty fun though. No. You're good. You're fine.
I think we're okay. We made it this time. That first one was terrifying. Terrifying. I'm okay. You okay? Everybody okay?
Yeah.
Hi. We're here for the candlelight ceremony, and so Merry Christmas and enjoy.
Merry Christmas, happy holidays. I'm eating a sandwich.